Hey everybody, what is good? What is going on? It's your girl Koya Denise here, coming to y'all with Koya Car Chronicles. All right, I'm a little late today. I'm over here on the curb. I normally be kind of straight, but I'm a little late today because hubby is hubby going out of town for work. So, and when we get home, he'll be gone because it's 2:08 and his Uber is picking him up at 2:15. So. But yeah, y'all, what is good? What is going on? I hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Yes, I hope everybody ate as much as they wanted to, as much as they desired. I hope everything was good. I hope everybody had fun with their family and got to see, family and friends and whatnot, whether you had a Thanksgiving with family or like a Friendsgiving with friends. I just hope everything was just wonderful. Y'all, I told y'all I was making dressing for the first time. Y'all, it was good. It turned out so good. I am so happy, so proud of myself. Like, I will pat myself on the back. To the point where when I made it, that was the first thing I made. That's the first thing I made. And it turned out so good, I made another pan. Because I like dressing. My sister like dressing. So, yeah, it was good, y'all. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself. So, never again will I go without my dressing now. Because, like I said, I used to buy it from Honey Baked Ham. But they switched up their dressing. It's like they buying it from the store. And I'm like, well, if y'all want to buy it from the store, I can buy it from the store too, right? But, yeah, it's tripping. Sorry, y'all. But, yeah. So, it is Monday. It is December 2nd. We are it's Christmas mode now, y'all. It is like straight Christmas mode. Wait a minute. Hubby just texted me. What? Oh, goodness. I'm about to be mad because Uber. Hold on, y'all. I'm about to be mad because Uber still says matching with the driver. And I scheduled this 3 days ago. Lord. Oh, my goodness. Okay. But yeah, y'all, it's Christmas time now. So I put my decorations up on Saturday. So I am proud of myself because last year when I put up my Christmas decorations, I said I wasn't putting them up until December. So I did it one day ahead of time. So it was in November. So November 30th, I was able to put them up in November, but it was still after I gave thanks. Because I have to give thanks first, right? I have to give thanks first. I don't put the cart before the horse. You understand? Everything is order for a reason. It's in order for a reason. You got Halloween in October. Thanksgiving is in November. And then Christmas in December. Having Christmas up in November before Thanksgiving, not a fan of it. But for the ones that are, do you. You know what I'm saying? That's just my opinion. I'll wait till after I give thanks. So, yeah. So, I done put the tree up and stuff. Hubby will do the rest of the stuff when he come back from his trip. And, yeah. So, did anybody take advantage of the Cyber Monday deals? Because I did on Amazon. I bought a few things on Amazon for the kids. And then I got something for myself too. I got two things for me, but it wasn't for Christmas just because I wanted it, because it was Cyber Monday. And it was a good deal. But yeah, I did get a few things for the kids. Some things that I can wrap, and then a couple stocking stuffers. So yeah, I'm excited about that. But yeah, so y'all, let's get into this haircut. Because I told y'all a sister was getting her haircut. So this past Saturday made a week that has been cut. So y'all see the color. Of course, the purple wasn't going nowhere. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all, I haven't done anything to it since Thanksgiving, since Thursday. I ain't done nothing to it. I hadn't put nothing in it. I mean, I've spritzed it with water just so it can have some hydration. But that's about it. I haven't done anything. Like, it's kind of dry. The curls ain't really popping. I'll turn around so you guys can see. But yeah, so this is the cut. Do I love it? No. Is it tolerable? Yes. The reason I don't love it is because because it's short. And it's short. And I knew it was going to be short. I knew it was going to be short. I knew that. But she cut off as much as she needed to. And when it's not, and this is a wash and go. So the shrinkage is real in the natural world, honey. The shrinkage is real. And when I say, like, you see, like, I got like a little bang, like, this is the longest part of my hair. This right here in the front is the longest part of my hair. So I'm going to pull this so y'all can see. You see that? Comes to my nose. And then it bounced back up to my eyebrows. Let me see if I can do this one. Comes to past my nose, almost to my lip. And it bounced right back up to my eyebrow. The shrinkage is real. Even this. Like, the shrinkage is real, y'all. The shrinkage is real. So, but, I mean, I'm happy that it's in a healthy state now. I am happy about that. I love that it's in a healthy state. So now it can just grow out evenly because it's going to grow. We're going to get it to grow. We're not going to keep it this short. We are not going to keep it this short. I don't know if I'm going to put a crochet in just yet or not. I don't know. But I mean, I'm rocking it out. Or I'll normally put like a beanie on if I don't really want to do anything. I'll put like a beanie on because it is cold. It's cold in these Georgia streets. In these in Atlanta streets, it's 51 degrees right now, and my neck is exposed and whatnot. So it's been a little chilly. So I have been wearing like beanies and then just having like my bang out, and that's been very helpful because I mean I don't really have to do anything to my hair, like put anything on it. So I have not washed it yet. So I mean, yeah, we just kind of like letting it do what it do. I did buy 2 products from the stylist who did my hair, a foam and a curling gel for coils and textured hair, which is really good. She used on my hair. If you go to my shorts, you'll that's labeled Big Chop, and you'll see how my hair was. Like the curls was popping. But you know, like I said, it's a little over a week old, so now it's got like I done slept on it and everything. I was sleeping in a silk bonnet, but because my hair is so short, the silk bonnet doesn't it has like a little bit of material, and it bothers me when I sleep sometimes. So I stopped sleeping in it, but I do sleep on a satin pillowcase, so that's okay. But I mean, yeah, other than that, I mean, like, again, it's fine. It's not bad. I don't love it. I like it. It's tolerable. You know, I put makeup on and everything, like, you know, and slay a fit real quick. You know, we can rock it. You know what I mean? We can definitely rock it. But, you know, like right now, I'm just chill, you know, bare face out here, you know, outside the school picking up the kids, and I ain't, you know, just as natural as all get out. So, and this is what it's looking like. So it could be worse. It really could be worse. But yeah, other than that, that's all I really got going on. But I really wanted to talk about the you know, the cut and then a little bit of cyber deals that I did, just a few, not too much. I don't even know what my daughter really wants. Like, I got her something from Amazon that I know that she wanted, but other than that, I don't really know what she wants. She talking about she wants some toys, and I'm like, girl, you 10 years old. You ain't over like toys like that. She got so many toys now that she don't even play with. I don't even want to buy her none. But yeah. But that's all I wanted. But I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Y'all let me know in the comments below. You know, have y'all started y'all Christmas shopping? Did y'all start like last week? Did y'all start on like Black Friday or anything like that? Yeah, I didn't do nothing on Black Friday. I chilled. Like, when I say I chilled. I was tired from just cooking Wednesday and cooked a little bit on Thanksgiving and then eating and just, I was tired. Friday, I was just like, don't bother me. I'm good. Just leave me be. Leave me be. But yeah, y'all. Yeah, but let me know in the comments what's up, what's going on. And if you ain't following your girl, go ahead and follow your girl, okay? Please like, please comment, please subscribe. I love you guys. Call Your Car Chronicles out. See y'all tomorrow.